Welcome guys, so today I am with Nokia Lite Earbuds and I'm going to show you how we can move them to the pairing mode. And so as you can see, in my case everything is fine and they appear on the available devices list, but how to fix it if you have problem and they are not on the list. So at the first I have to turn off the lights because this earbuds got the indicators inside right here, and with this lighting condition you will be not able to spot them. Honestly, this is one of the worst indicators that I can see in my life, but never mind. So to show you how to use the touch control panels, you have to basically click and hold this place. So just turn off the lights and take a look right now. I'm gonna also just turn off the screen of my phone, and then we have to click and hold these two control panels and take a look right now. As you can see, the small lights blinking. So we have to click and hold, and once this indicator just switch between the red and the blue like that, it means that we are in the pairing mode. So right now I'm gonna turn on the lights and let's go back. Let's click to pair new device. And as you can see right now, they will appear on the list. So we have to select them, click pair, and we are connected. So to sum up, right here you got the indicators, right? And you have to make them blinks red and the blue, red and the blue. So how to make it? Just use this touch control panels and click and hold until it will blinks like that. So of course I cannot show you like that in this lighting condition, but because they are really bad quality and they are inside, not on the flat part on the earbud. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.